How to terminate employee properly? The first step is that the basis of a termination. The grounds for termination must be objective. The best way is that the grounds for termination must be provided in your employment handbook or policy or manual. One example, employee is intoxicated during the employment at workplace. That should be ground for termination with a cause. Employee doesn't show up on time or constantly late for work. That should be ground for termination without any fear of wrongful termination. Employee harassing other employees, that should be ground for termination. Your employment handbook is a guideline. It's a constitution at workplace. Must provide why that employee is terminated or should be terminated with a cause. When you decide to terminate an employee, make sure that employee gets final paycheck at the time of termination so you can avoid any unpaid wages later on. Finally, you must document everything relating to the employee's termination. Eventually, when you go to court, the employee want to say, I was wrongfully terminated. Your defense is that, well, we have policy providing that. His conduct was not acceptable at workplace. Our policy provides that that employee can be terminated with a cause. And his conduct, as documented, warrants our termination. Finally, we paid him all unpaid wages at the time of termination. You got to protect yourself when you terminate employees.